Know that we had enough fun with the truck. I wanted to show you guys the details with all of these new cars. So the ones that we have available right here, like the car sounds, the interior, the animations, all of that stuff. I did show the body kits in my previous upload, so you can either check that out, or you know what, I'm gonna show you guys anyway. So I'm gonna start out with this one, Ford one. So if you have already seen the body kit, that's fine, but if you're new here, you're new to this specific video, I'm gonna just run through it quickly, not wasting much time. So this is stock, and I'm gonna just run through them for you. There we go. Rear, zoom out a bit there. Side skirts, and then he had the light bars at the top. So that's for this new Ford truck. I think it is Ford. The logo looks like Ford. I just don't know which model it is yet. But yeah, I'm gonna look at the sounds, and I'm gonna give you guys a show of the interior. You know what? Let me change the back because we can unload this back. So let me see if the stock body, we can open the bag here. Oh, with the exhaust. I'm gonna put the exhaust one on because I like that. All right, so ahead with this. You guys hear the sound and see the animations. All right, so here it is. I turned the volume up to the game all the way up, so I'm gonna start talking and just let the sounds play out. Enjoy. Toyota Fortuner, if I pronounce it right. Fortuner. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but yeah, the kits that are available for it. If I didn't show you before, some pretty weird choices. I don't think these fit it as well as other options, but these are the ones that we got, premium and stuff. Mostly I already saw it in my previous upload, but yeah, these are the simple kits that we have for it. Now let's get to the sound, the animations, and all of that. Now for the BMW M2, which is now a paid car for real money, costs around $7, $8 in US. Not sure, the prices may differ depending on where you're from, but that's the price I get for it right now. I originally got it for game money, but now it's changed. And here are the kits for this car. If you haven't seen them before, we'll cycle through them real quick. Now for the sounds and animations. Yo, what? And now for the last new car that was added, the 400Z. Let's take a look at this real quick. Kits first, and then the sound and animations. now that we have looked at the new cars, there are two other cars that I know of that got updated, and that is these two are the RX-7 and the older 911. I think, is it a GT2 RS? That's the name for it. Yo, where is the RX-7 though? Let me find the RX-7 real quick. Where's that? Where are you, RX-7? Oh, here you are. So the RX-7 new kit, and it also has the open hood and door animations. I think this is a new sound too. I'm not sure. Oh, different kind of Dorito engine that I remembered. But yeah, let's look at the kits. I think these were here before, yeah. I think majority of these were here before, right? Were these ones here before? I'm not sure. I don't think they were. These ones definitely were here before. Yeah. These kits, I need to size my tires down or the suspension down a bit. Yeah, there you go. You can see the open hood in there. Put this on, take it off. There it is. Rotary engine in there. And everything else is pretty much the same. Yeah. Those things at the top were there before, probably. Oh, the wheels. Let me size my wheels down so it matches. Oh, they're already small? Yeah, they're already small. Okay, I need to raise the suspension then. So it's not flipping through the body too much. Bring these wheels inside. There you go. Should be good, I think. Look at the animations. Because they did change the one in CPM 2. Let's take a look at this one. New bumpers, yeah. And these are new bumpers. These ones at the end, I think. The lights. Oh, light. Is this how the lights look? Definitely changed, right? I'm not tripping. I don't want to touch the bumper because I like the back bumper looking like that. With the lights. Everything else looks pretty much the same. I'm not sure. It's just the overall model, and the kits are the same. Now it has the gray smoked out tail lights. So I believe it also got the changes that CPM 2 had. If I'm correct, am I right? Or did it always look like this in CPM 1? Did it get changed first in CPM 1? I'm not exactly sure. Does it have the? It has the open hood animations. It even has a bash bar. I don't think it's a. Let me know if this was in the previous version. I'm gonna have to check myself to make sure. But I feel like this is definitely new because this just got changed up in CPM 2. I'm not sure if CPM 1 had it yet. Similar to the RX-7, how CPM 2 got the animations with the RX-7 first. Well, we're gonna look at it. For my next video, I'll be looking at all the different types of transport, the trailers and stuff like that. I'm gonna be doing all of the deliveries for the big construction missions. So stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.